Hello, my dear friends. The second light pole I would like to introduce you is we call it large curve stainless steel light poles. We have installed two pieces in front of our factory. This is one. The other side we have also installed one piece. We have exported more than 1,000 pieces to Iraq, and the height is 12 meters. And the features of this light pole is very simple, but are looking very nice because the shape is very curved, and which makes very difficult for production. But our R&D team has made a lot of research, and finally we have made it happen. We made very big mold to make the band. Let's get closer and have a look. We have installed for over 10 years, and still the finishing is looking very nice. At the base, you see it actually is very large. The diameter is around 230 millimeters. Yolong is specialized in making the high-class stainless steel and aluminum light poles. And we can customize made for you. We have a very professional designers. We can design based on your project needs.